If you have decided to buy a chiller on your own, the first thing you need to check if the chiller is under pressure with refrigerant or with nitrogen. You can check the pressure looking at the manometers if they are installed, or in a case of a new type of a chiller by checking the settings on the controller. Each type of refrigerant has its own pressure specification at a given outdoor temperature, so if the parameters match, that's a good sign. If not, unscrew the cap on a refrigeration line nipple and try to give a quick spray to see if there is any pressure in the system at all. Be extremely careful when doing this. If there is a liquid refrigerant, it can spray into your eyes under high pressure. You need to check each circuit separately. A chiller may have from 1 to 4 circuits. Also, if the pressure different between the circuits, this indicates possible leaks. If the chiller is empty, you need to find out why. Perhaps service technician take it out, but then you won't be able to verify the system tightness. Or maybe the customer can't explain why the circuit is empty. In this case, a leak is guaranteed if there is no pressure in the system. When the leaks might occur and how to spot them visually. Sometimes you shouldn't spray from the nipple and connect the manometers. The refrigerant in this chiller is mixed with the oil, and if there is any leaks on a copper aluminum condenser, it will have greasy spots and attract dust and dirt, so you will see them. You need to inspect everything from start to finish, including the ends where the copper half rings connecting the tubes are located. It is harder to find a leak on an aluminum condenser. It's often mistaken for ordinary water stains after rain. You can see the difference only by the fact that the stains are greasy. Leaks can also occur on the refrigerant line, at the connection, and in the heat exchanger. Our experience shows that you will be not able to identify the presence and number of leaks if a refrigerant has been evacuated. So, check carefully and buy only the best chillers. Wish you good luck, bye bye!